Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael here from WolfGrowth. In this short video, I want to quickly show you how to schedule posts using the WolfGrowth software. So once you're logged into your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is head over to the little plus icon up here. This is where you create scheduled posts. Now, what this lets you do is pretty simple. You can schedule a regular post using a photo or a video. You can schedule stories, and you can also upload albums. So let's say you want to schedule a post. First, you'll need to upload your media into WolfGrowth. You can do that directly from your computer, or you can upload using a URL, for example, from Dropbox or OneDrive. Once your image or video is uploaded, it'll appear in your media section right here. From there, you just select the Instagram account you want to post from, and then drag and drop your media into the post area. After that, you can write your caption right here, and on the right side, you'll see a live preview of how the post will actually look on Instagram. One thing that's also really useful is that WolfGrowth suggests relevant hashtags for you automatically, which saves a lot of time. Now, if you want to publish the post immediately, you can do that. But most people prefer to schedule their content in advance. So all you have to do is click schedule, choose the day, and then select the exact time you want the post to go live. Once you confirm, WolfGrowth will automatically publish the post for you at the scheduled time. The same exact process applies to stories as well. You upload your media, choose your account, set the time, and schedule it. Everything is designed to be very straightforward and easy to use, so you don't need to overthink it. That's basically it. That's how post scheduling works inside WolfGrowth.